In this video, I'm going to show you how to read Instagram messages without opening them. Now, if you want to read someone messages on Instagram without them knowing, then in this video, I'm going to show you how. So I'll be covering two different ways, and they both work on Android and iOS devices. So make sure to follow each and every step shown in this video. And if you find this video helpful, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and turn notification bell icon for more tricks and tips. So with that being said, let's begin. Now, after you have received the messages, and now you want to read those messages without them knowing, so the first method will be to restrict the account. Now to do so, you need to go back, then tap on this search icon at the bottom, then search for that account that has sent you the messages. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner, then select restrict. Now after doing that, now tap on messages. Now you can be able to read all the messages that the person has sent to you. Now after reading the messages, now you need to unrestrict that account. Now go back, tap on those three dots once more, and then unrestrict that account. Now go back, open messages, and I'll be able to see that you have read the messages without them knowing. So realize that you didn't leave a scene, and the other person can't know if you open the messages or not. Now on the second method, for you to read messages without them knowing, you need to turn off your data or Wi-Fi. Then make sure you turn on airplane mode, as you can see. And after doing that, now open those messages and read all messages. As you can see, you can read all those messages. After doing that, you need to go back and then tap on the profile icon, then scroll down and then log out to Instagram account. And after logging out, now turn on your data or Wi-Fi, then log back to Instagram account. Now tap on messages. Now you realize that the message that you read before is marked unread, and by doing that, you'll have now read Instagram messages without opening them. So that is for me today. So if you value today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell icon for more new tricks and tips. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.